Okay, so this right here paid for the entire box. The entire box. Done. Anything else is profit. Hey everyone, it's Jessica, flight attendant flipper. For those who are new to my channel, I'm a full-time flight attendant and part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and The RealReal. For those who are not new to my channel, welcome back, friends. I'm sorry it's been a minute. And for those who don't know, this is Naji. This is Naji. Say hi. Anyway, today's video almost didn't get made. I am not feeling well at all. I'm gonna say it's allergy related, but I'm not feeling my best. But I did order a mystery shoebox from ThredUP, and they actually had a sale. So normally I think they're $80, but I think it was 20% off. So it was $64 plus a few dollars shipping. So less than $70, which brings it to about like $4.70, right around there per pair. So today I'm going to try to do something a little different. Whenever I can find comps for the shoe that I find in here, I'll put them up on the screen. And then at the end, I will put a number of what I think we'll be able to sell them for total. And that will not include Poshmark fees or platform fees because it's hard to predict what those will be. So for example, Poshmark is a 20% fee. eBay is right around 13%, but I also donate 10% of my sales on eBay to the American Cancer Society. And then after the fact, I also donate 10% of my Poshmark profits to another charity. So it's not going to include the fees or shipping. Sometimes the buyer pays for shipping, sometimes I'll throw it in, or sometimes like in Poshmark, I'll offer reduced shipping. So I'll have to cover $2 to $3 of the shipping. So it's just going to be, you all right there? It's just going to be, what I think I'm going to sell the products for. And then I can always do minus the cost of, Neji, Neji, this is, no, Neji, close your legs, close your legs, Neji. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. He was just neutered. Oh my god, the poor thing. He was just neutered on the 31st, and today is the 8th. And so, I'm really sorry about that. Neji, that's not appropriate. That's not appropriate. Okay. So I did cut open the box just so that we could save the time. He's gonna knock this down. Anyway, I did cut open. This is gonna be so much fun. All right. I did cut open the box so that we could just get right into it and see what we got. So let's see what we got. So keep in mind this one was on sale. So I don't know if that means that this is gonna be a worse box than. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Nope. No. These cannot. Girl, Birkenstocks. Are you kidding me right now? They don't even have like barely any toe mark. Look at the bottom. I am dead. Nash, look what these size 39. Oh my, these are practically brand new. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so this right here paid for the entire box. The entire box. Done. Anything else is profit. But okay. Settle down. Okay. I cannot, okay. Okay, so, we have these pair of, I like that they put a rubber band around. And anyway, so these are these are like brand new. I could like literally still smell the leather, and my allergies are kicking my butt. So the fact that I can even smell it is amazing. These are a pair of Echo, and Echo is like a comfort brand, and this is a larger size, blue. Wow. Okay. Wow, this box is real. This is a good, I think this is a good box so far. I'm only 2 pairs of shoes in. Okay, these are loafers. These are suede, blue suede loafers. They seem to be good quality. All right, they're Franco Sardo. Stay away from the shoes. He likes to smell shoes. And I'm not going to comment further on that. But anyway, he likes to smell shoes. So these are Franco Sardo, blue loafers, suede. Very little wear on the bottom. So that's good. What are these? Kookaburra by Uggs. How cute are these? Also blue. And they, seriously, like, there's no wear on these. None. Like zero. Zip zero. Wow. Okay. And here's the other one. This box is great. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. What is this? Okay, Gabor. Now, I've seen this brand, I don't know, definitely a more mature brand. These are also like literally never worn. Comfort shoe, 8.5. It says Hovercraft. These are, okay. This is not an 8.5. This is probably a 10.5. This is maybe a UK size because this is a pretty, it's not 8.5. But this is, I mean, these are practically brand new. I don't even know what to say right now. Like I am shooketh. I am shooketh. All right, I already have a pair of shoes similar to these. These are Steve Madden, like almost like ballet flats with the tie up. I mean, these aren't great. I don't know. I may redonate these because I don't even know if I want to be bothered, to be honest with you, especially because I see that they put in heel pads like in the back. Whoever owned it before put in heel pads. Hasn't really been worn. So we'll see. But once you get with the heel pads and then you take them off and then they get sticky and all sorts of other stuff. Anyway, okay, what is this? Bandolino? Yeah, no. But I'm not going to even, how can I even possibly get mad? Well, where's the other one, first of all? I don't even think they packed the other one. All right, weird. Okay. What is this? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? First of all, what? You're squishing these Nikes, okay? Are these cleats or something? No. Just like a pair of Nikes? Like, really? I mean, okay, a little bit of wear. There's a little bit of wear like right here. But I mean, seriously. Okay. All right, this is nuts. What's this? So this is Impo Stretch. It's a brown suede booty. They're like, pretty affordable. I don't know. I may redonate these. Not sure. What are these? These are Franco Sardo, but these are so cute. Okay, so these are Franco Sardo. They look like a wool with studs, chunky heel. Not too much wear on the bottom. Really cute. Those are cute. These are really some good fall winter shoes. Dress it up, go to work with them, hang out with them. Really cool. I am still shook that the first pair were Birkins. I cannot. I'm okay. And like in great condition. I'm dead. I'm totally dead. What? Maurice's, no, not a really good brand, so that's gonna be redonated. Oh, these look nice. Dolce Vita. These are nice. Little ankle boot with the elastic in the back. Nice. Got a little hair there. Oh, these are a size 6. Actually, I may keep these for myself. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep these for myself. These are cute. And let's see, we got some Adidas flip-flops. Do you approve? With the foam on the bottom. I mean, these are okay. What size are these? I don't know. Maybe I'll give them to my daughter. Clark's, what are these? Oh, Clark's Cloud Steppers. Definitely more mature, comfort brand. Purple. Really good condition on the bottom. Lace up like a sneaker. It is a size 7.5. Not bad. Oh, here's the other Banzolate. Like, they should be, first of all, they should be ashamed of themselves sending me something like that. That's crazy. No. That may not even get donated, let me. And another pair of Dolce Vita. This person had hair, huh? Another pair of Dolce Vita shoes. These are like a Dorsey flat. You know, nothing crazy. It's, oh, so has a sticker from Macy's. So, I mean, not bad. Let's see, we got one. I just want to make sure I got the right number of shoes. 15. 15 shoes. That's crazy. All right, so based on everything that's in the box, there are some that I'm going to donate. So the ones that I'm going to keep will be able to sell for about this much money. So let's just factor in Poshmark because they have the most expensive platform fees of 20%. So after 20% and after the cost of goods, this should be my net profit conservatively for this box. Not bad. Not bad at all. Considering they sent the merchandise to my home. I didn't have to go out and thrift. I didn't have to use gas. And I am just shooketh by the Birkenstocks. Anyway, so there you have it. I'm really happy with this box. I ordered 2 of them, so I don't know how the second one could possibly beat this one, but we shall see. And I will see you on the next video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and it lets me know that you want to see more content just like this. So if you're thrifting, happy thrifting. And if you are flying, please fly safe. See you soon. Bye.